In this video, we will be talking about the configuration of local storage in Sangfor VDI. First, we will introduce what is local storage. Local storage is the storage media that installed within the device. Only the current device operating system can read and write, while other hosts can only access it if the operating system shares it via the network. Next, we will talk about the pros and cons of local storage. For the pros, local storage increase redundancy through RAID technology to increase the data reliability. While for the cons of local storage, disks between hosts are not shared and cannot be accessed across hosts. I/O and capacity bottlenecks cannot be expanded. Next, we will talk about the steps to configure local storage in Sangfor VDI. First, go to Storage, Other Data Stores. Second, click on New Data Store and select Local Storage. Third, select which disk to form local storage and click Next. Lastly, fill in the data storage name and proceed to format the disk for local storage. Please take note that if there is important data in the hard disk, kindly back up the data first, as the data will delete after format. To test whether the local storage created is usable, we will try to create a VM on it. Precaution: there is slight difference in the path due to different version of VDI in use for the PowerPoint slide in the recording. The PowerPoint slide is using VDI 5.4.2 where the path is locating under Storage, Other Data Stores, while the recording is using VDI 5.4.0 R2 where the path is under Nodes, Storage. However, the configuration is still the same. You may follow the steps to create local storage. The configuration to create local storage on VMP. First, click and go to Nodes. Click on Storage and select New Data Store. Select Local Storage and choose the hard disk that you want to create as local storage. Click on Next. Fill in the data store name. It will show the hard disk is connected to which nodes here. Click on OK. Please take note that if there is important data stored in the disk, kindly back up the data before format it as local storage. Click on OK. As you can see here, local storage is created. To prove the local storage is usable, we will try to create a VM with the local storage. First, go to Compute. Click on New, select Create New Virtual Machine. Fill in the name of the VM. Click on the data store and choose the local storage that you created previously. Select what OS you want to create. Click on OK. For your information, if the data store selected in creating VM interface is not usable, there will be error message prompt to notice you. As you can see, the VM is created successfully. In the end of this tutorial, we have learnt on what is local storage in Sangfor VDI, pros and cons of local storage, how to create local storage in VMP,